The sounds we are going to practice in this video is the sounds s, 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 in seal. Again, seal. Sash again, sash. Semantic again, semantic. Scramble again, scramble. Six again, six. Slimy again, slimy. Snails again, snails. What other words have the initial sounds s? Ambitious again, ambitious. Apple juice again, apple juice. Curious again, curious. Dangerous again, dangerous. Isolate again, isolate. Assume again, assume. Niece again, niece. What other sounds words have the final sounds? Now let's practice phrases with sounds. Ready? Circle of hands. Again, circle of hands. Sad face. Again, sad face. Hot sun. Again, hot sun. Plant seeds. Again, plant seeds. Feel sick. Again, feel sick. Now let's practice sentence with the sounds. Ready? Don't run the scissors. Again, don't run the scissors. You made a tall sandwich. Again, you made a tall sandwich. We order a salad for lunch. Again, we order a salad for lunch. The sounds we just practiced in this video is the sounds s, s, s. I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.